I'm John Kennedy. I'm interim CEO and chairman of the board of Habitat for Humanity of Sonoma County. And we're partnered with Rebuild NorthBay to rebuild the fences here for the community who suffered great loss in the October fires. And one of the core missions of Habitat is bringing people together to rebuild homes, community, and hope. And this is a perfect illustration of that. So we have hundreds of volunteers from around the country who want to come here to Sonoma County to help with the rebuild efforts. And this project is all about rebuilding this community. And so we see it's a perfect alignment of Habitat's mission to be out here. And it's also a way for the community to heal and somewhat grieve in a way they're really helping each other out. And I think that's a great thing to be partnered with Rebuild NorthBay to make happen. Collaboration is key and a big part of Habitat for Humanity. And I think we can't do the things that we do without partners. And Rebuild NorthBay is an example of such a partnership, as well as everyone else that they're bringing to the RiseUp project. Collaboration is key, from our volunteers to our corporate sponsors to in-kind material donations, from roofing, all the building materials, the wood. Collaboration is essential for making this work. Habitat for Humanity really requires extensive collaboration, and we look forward to collaborating with developers who really make our projects happen, as well as this project. The developers here are helping in their own way in terms of rising the neighborhood up again and really healing the neighborhood. And I think that's one of the positive things that have come out of this disaster, is people coming together to help each other out. And it's really touching to see how people do that from all over the nation. People are coming forward to help collaborate and put Sonoma County back, and it's a wonderful thing to see.